Hi everyone, welcome. Today I have Skullcandy Crusher ANC 2 headphones and I'm going to show you how can you easily pair them with your Android phone by Bluetooth. Let's get started. First we have to power them up with this button over there. Now we have to go into pairing mode. We have to just click this button over there. Now we have to scroll down onto our control panel, and now we have to hold our finger on Bluetooth. Now we have to click pair new device, and now as you can see, Crusher ANC 2. We have to click on it, and wait a moment. Now we have to click pair, and now we are paired with our headphones. That's it, hope it helps you, goodbye.